Giving away a free pair of Travis Scott fragments. Travis Scott fragments for free. Who wants to win a pair of free Travis Scott frags? What's up, Shoe Care Superstars? It's Nick, and today we are at Sneakercon Phoenix, and I'm here with my one and only BFF,
Jordan.
And we've got a bag full of goodies. We're gonna go hit the line, see what's happening, and start giving out some product. Let's go.
All right, the doors are opening in about 3 minutes, so let's go check out the line and hand out some products.
Let's go. I'm ready. Always ready, Jordan. Let's go. And there it is. There's the last one. We out like that. We're going to head back inside, check out the booth, see what's hopping off inside. Let's go. All right, everybody. We're out here. We got the homie DJ Rari. You all know him. He's the face of Sneakercon. He's out here hanging out, talking to everybody. I got him over at the Rejuvenator booth. How's it going today?
It's going pretty good. We're in Phoenix. We love Phoenix so much. It's one of our best shows, best events of the year. The people actually come and show out, so definitely love Phoenix. It's going good.
All right, everybody, we've been hanging out here at Sneakercon for about an hour. We're over in the Monster Energy booth right now. We're playing some Jenga. We're doing some spin art. We're drinking some Monsters. And look who happened to walk by, our homie Chance.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Great to see you out here, man. I'm sure you guys have seen him on our feed plenty of times, cleaning sneakers, giving you tips and tricks, teaching you about sneakers. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna follow Chance around for a little bit, see what it's like as a Sneakercon content creator.
Yeah, let's roll.
Let's go.
I'm never nervous to be on camera, but for whatever reason, when I'm on somebody else's camera, then I start to get like a little bit like antsy. I don't know. Maybe it's the Monsters. I don't know.
All right, guys. So now we've got a whole bunch of Rejuvenator product. I've got Chance with me. We're gonna go around. We're gonna find some people. We're gonna do some trivia. We're gonna risk it for the biscuit and see who can get some questions right and win some free Rejuvenator product.
If not, I'm taking it home. What's up? Let's do it. Let's do it. You wanna be in a video real quick?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
All right. We got the first round. So basically, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ask you some trivia questions. If you get it right, you can keep it. If you get it wrong, don't get it. But we're gonna go up and up. So for whatever's in this bag right here, what is the famous Nike slogan?
Just do it.
Bingo. All right. So do you wanna keep this and walk away? Or do you wanna risk it for another mystery item? Risk it? All right. Don't look at those answers. What brand is known for the 3 stripes?
Adidas.
Bingo. All right. You want to cash out? You don't want to? All right,
cashed out. We got you a Rejuvenator Essential Kit. Thanks for playing.
I'm here with my man Jeffrey right here, and we're gonna be playing some rock, paper, scissors for some Rejuvenator right here. And let's get into it. Hopefully, I don't know if I want to beat you, but we'll figure it out. Paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, you got the first one. You got the first one. Do you want to risk it, or do you want to take your prize right now?
I'll risk it.
Okay, he's gonna risk it. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay. You're gonna keep this one?
Yeah.
Keep it. All right.
There we go, man. Enjoy it.
Thank you.
So we're on a mission right now looking for some beaters, shoes to do some restorations and cleanings. We're at the trading pit. Let's see what we find. There is literally nothing dirty in this trading pit. It's all brand new stuff. They really don't make trading pits like they used to. Back in the day, 2016, 2017, these trading pits used to be filled with used beater shoes. Not anymore. It's all brand new stuff. 2023 is very different.
What year was the Air Max 1 debuted? Should I give him another one? That was kind of before he was born, huh?
Yeah, that's way before he was born.
What iconic sneaker was worn by Marty McFly in Back to the Future?
Nike Air Max.
Bingo. All right, all right.
You want to cash out? You want to take it? You want
to keep going?
to try again? All right.
What is the Nike logo called?
Swoosh.
Bingo. All right, all right, all right. We got a crowd now. So you want to risk it? You're going to be the first person to risk it all the way. How you feel about that?
I don't know.
The big bag.
Yeah.
All right. What shoe was Daniel wearing in the Damn Daniel video series? The Dang Daniel.
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Jordan 3s.
Does nobody remember how viral that video was? That was so viral.
What is it? All white band.
I know it, yeah.
All right, what are we going to do on this one?
I'm going to give it to him.
All right, all right, all right.
Cash out for
Thank
playing.
you.
Of course, of course.
All right, I'm here with the littlest member of the Reshoevnator family. This is Paigey Greer. We're gonna be walking around passing out some sneaker wipes to people that want to support Reshoevnator. Let's go. You guys want some Reshoevnator sneaker wipes? Oh, there you go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, so you got the first prize. Do you want to risk it, or do you want to keep your prize and keep going?
I'm gonna keep going.
You're gonna keep going? All right. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, okay. So you got 2 right now. You're at the second prize. No, middle one.
Three is the big bag.
You want to risk it and go for that big bag, or you want to take that second prize and just keep it going?
I'm gonna risk it.
Okay, he's risking it. We got the big ballers out here. He's risking it. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh.
Good game. Thank you.
Good game, man.
Appreciate you playing.
Shout out Reshoevnator.
Yeah, let's go.
You said what?
Said shout out Reshoevnator.
There we go.
Best sneaker cleaner in
Oh,
the game.
Oh, he's got it on him. He's got it on him.
So what do you think about Reshoevnator?
It works well, especially the anti-yellowing.
Yeah, the Soul Revive. Soul Revive always comes in clutch. Everybody loves our Soul Revive. Whose shoes are you cleaning up right now?
My grandpa's.
Got to keep Grandpa looking fly all the time, right? You can't be walking around with dirty shoes.
Yes, sir.
One of the coolest things at Sneakercon is the eBay stand. They authenticate sneakers. So if you're ever at a Sneakercon, make sure you stop by, get your sneakers authenticated before you sell them or after you buy them so that you don't leave here with fake sneakers.
Oh man, it's getting sticky out here, man. When we start doing these challenges, there's like a herd of people that come around and they think that they got it. But when the camera's on, mic's on, ready to roll, they don't got it. Who designed the Air Jordan 1?
Who designed the Air Jordan 1?
You ever watch the Jordan movie?
Nah, it's not Michael. It's not Michael, is it?
I can't give you no hints.
Can I say, like, is his mom a good guess? I don't know. No, that's not an answer. That's not an answer.
I'll give him a hint. It was not Tinker Hatfield.
Who is Tinkerbell, bro?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, okay, okay. He got it. You want to risk it?
Yes.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, okay. There you go, my man. Go. You're welcome.
On a mission to find the girl with the hair. Oh, rainbow hair. She wants to know if you would like a sneaker wipe. She likes your hair.
Thank you. Sure.
Can you give her one?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You following Reshoevnator on Instagram? Better follow us right now. You got the Whatnot app?
I do not.
Oh, you better download the Whatnot app, create an account, follow Reshoevnator, RESHOEVNA right there. Boom, top one.
Whatnot?
And then on the Whatnot app, make sure you download Whatnot, follow Reshoevnator on Whatnot, and then at 3:30 at the Reshoevnator booth, we're giving it away. That's it.
What shoe was Daniel wearing in the viral video series Damn Daniel?
What?
Nobody's got this one right yet, so don't feel bad.
What's the question again?
What shoe was Daniel wearing in the viral video series Damn Daniel?
Vans?
What color Vans?
White?
Bingo. All right, all right, all right. I think he might have got a little help on that, but we'll give it to him.
I never got no help.
All right. You want to risk it or do you want to cash out?
Nah, I'll take it.
All right, all right, all
right, we've been at Sneakercon for a couple of hours. We looked at a couple of booths, but the other booth that we need to check out is our sister store, Many Worlds. So let's head over there and see how they're doing for the day.
Oh, you're the guy. Okay, you got to get this on video. All right. I have signed this guy's hat at so many different sneaker cons. Look, we have here, 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 and there on the inside. So that's what, 4 or 5 different sneaker cons now that I've signed this same exact hat. Where are we going this time?
We'll go
Right there? I'm gonna get your info and I'm gonna send you out a t-shirt, all right? Of course, I appreciate you.
Thank you.
Of course, we gotta show love back every now and then, you know?
Free Travis Scott fragments at 3:30 at the Reshoevnator booth. We're doing a giveaway. Doesn't cost you nothing. They're for free at the Reshoevnator booth at 3:30. You enter your guy. I see them eyes. They're big eyes. They're looking good.
All right, we are over here at Many Worlds booth. They have sneakers on the low over here. So Yared, how's it going?
It's been a pretty good day. We have some pretty fair prices as opposed to other tables. A lot of good smiles, a lot of great customer interactions. Sold a few pairs of shoes. Hopefully we sell a few more by the end of the day. Other than that, having a pretty good time.
If you guys don't already, follow Many Worlds AZ on Instagram and check out their store if you're in Phoenix, Arizona.
All right, man. So we're here. What do you got in this box?
Some PSG 5s.
We got some PSG 5s. They're not completely beat.
They're beat enough. You know, midsole repaint, remove some of that yellowing, give them a good clean. How much, bro?
50 bucks.
I can do 50 bucks. You got change?
G-Town Souls, hit them up online. We appreciate you, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Shout out to Whatnot for doing this giveaway with us here at Sneakercon Phoenix. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pick somebody randomly out of the crowd. I want you guys to go wild, go loud, get crazy. I'm gonna start picking random people. You gotta pick a number between 1 and 100. We have the number written down. If you guess the number right, you win the shoes. Let's go wild. Who am I gonna pick? Let's go. Who are we gonna pick? We're picking that girl in the back. You. 17 is not the number. All right. We're gonna go little man here in the front. 74 is not the number. My man right here. 33 is not the number. 29 is not the number. 22 is not the number. Not the number. 44 is not the number. 26 is not the number. This guy right here. 68 is not the number. You right there. 47 is not the number. 19 is not the number. We got over here. 83 is not the number. Right here in the Montreal. 27 is not it. Guy in the back. What's the number? Not 4. Over here. Not 25. We got you in the back. Not 97. Right here in the glasses. Not 42. What number? Not 1. Not 79. 73.
Let's go.
Are you following us on? Let's see. And Whatnot. Gotta be following Reshoevnator on Whatnot. Let's make sure it has the follow. Third one right there. Oh, you're not following. Oh.
So who wins?
Nobody. All right. Okay. All right. I'm gonna go through our Whatnot followers, and I'm gonna randomly pick one from there.
I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that.
All right. Here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna go up and down a bunch of times. Jay Barkey.
Jay Barkey.
Jay Barkey not here?
You got 5 seconds. Give us a 5-second countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right. We got Soul Haven AZ.
Yo, there he is. Yo, Soul Haven. Come on over.
We already got him on there.
Yo. All right, and you're following them on Instagram too, right? Reshoevnator? Yeah, they are. Yep, they're following it. Yep.
All right.
All right.
There you go, guys. There you go, man. Free pair of Travis Scott.
Live auction, whatnot.
Live auction on whatnot.
And a Rejuvenator signature cleaning kit.
Hey, show some love to the whatnot community, man. They love it, dude. Hit it.
All right, dude. So you just won those free pair of Travis Scott fragments. What are you gonna do with them?
Man, these are going straight to the toe.
No way.
Here,
Let
man.
me see.
Let's
Let's
see.
see. Let me see.
Show us the tongue. He's 8. He's valid.
Oh, he's 8. That's
valid.
it. That's the size. All right. I know how that goes.
Let's go.
I got to size up on them too, so I know how it is, man.
That's what we like to hear.
Exactly.
Straight to the toe. Now I know it's going to a good home. It's going to a good home. That's what we like to hear, man.
Thank you guys, I appreciate it.
We appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thanks so much, everybody, for hanging out with us today at Sneakercon. This has been an epic day. We did a lot of giveaways. We bought some shoes. We're going to restore some shoes. It's been a great day hanging out with everybody here. Vic, thanks so much for coming out, bud.
Man, Phoenix Sneakercon was awesome, dude. We got some cheap shoes. Great time hanging out with everybody.
Phoenix Sneakercon was great. Got the hoodie I wanted, and it was great to see everybody.
Chance, Gigamos, Big Al, whatever you want to go by. Appreciate you guys rolling through, coming out, doing some giveaways of product for us. I really super appreciate it.
I just want to say, Phoenix Sneakercon, we had an absolute blast. Everybody at the Rejuvenator team has been amazing. It's been an amazing event. I had a lot of fun.
All right, Sneakercon, that's it for me. Thanks so much. Have a great day.
My show. It's my show. It's my show.